Yo guys, welcome back to the YouTube and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. And today we're doing some beautiful Italian, Japanese style chicken Lekka Lekka. Now these are crunchy, crispy, deep fried on the outside with a beautiful soft, moist and flavorful inside. They're marinated in some buttermilk for 24 hours to really bring that lovely flavor out. And to the buttermilk we add some beautiful flavorings, some garlic, some crushed ginger and some lovely Chinese 5 spice to get all those flavors going, guys. Once you put that in some beautiful breadcrumbs and deep fry it, oh, crispy and amazing. So guys, as always, let's get into it. And if you want the recipe, please click the link down below for our food blog. And we'd love it, guys, if you hit that subscribe button, the bell icon, and give us a thumbs up as well. Okay guys, first step is to get some of these chicken breast mini fillets, also known as chicken tenders, and they're great for the Lekka Lekka recipe. We want these to be a little bit smaller than they are now, and we want some to be different sizes so we get some variety in there. So what we're going to do, guys, is just take these, ideally cut them in half if they're larger ones, and if there's any sort of gnarly bits on there we don't want, we're going to trim that off as well. So what we're really just going to end up with is the beautiful chicken breast. No form chicken in these Lekka Lekkas. So you see that? Beautiful and thin. And that is going to crisp up golden. Because when we fry these, guys, with the panko on top, they are going to be a bit larger. Get rid of any of those gnarly bits there. Nice and delicate. So you see how a small pack of chicken mini breast fillets will go quite a long way. This is essentially sort of one portion I'm making here, but it will do 2 people. You can just keep adding to this. If you want to make more, just add more chicken and double the ingredients, triple the ingredients, quadruple the ingredients, etc. It is all on the food blog, guys. Link in description below, including all the ingredients you need to make this dish. So there we go. All the good chicken in there. I'm just going to wash my hands quickly, guys. To this, to make this amazing marinade for this chicken, and this is going to sit in this marinade, guys, I would recommend for a minimum 4 hours, but ideally overnight. And this chicken is going to absorb all of these amazing flavors and spices and herbs, and it's just going to be beautiful. So first in, buttermilk. I use around 300 ml. Again, I'm doing 1 portion here, but you can do more if you need more. Oh, lovely and creamy. Chinese 5 spice. Beautiful aniseed flavour there. We want 3 teaspoons of this. It smells amazing. We want some salt and pepper in there. Good generous amount of black pepper and a good generous amount of sea salt. Tarragon, dried tarragon to add to that aniseedy flavour. Just a little touch in there. So pretty, guys. And now, this is already sort of pureed crushed ginger. You can get it in a paste. This one's from the supermarket. You want 2 teaspoons of this. Beautiful flavour on that. Crushed garlic. It's in a paste form again. Great for doing this kind of stuff. 1, 2. Oh, it's making a weird noise. That didn't happen in rehearsals. We're going to give this a little stir up. Oh, it smells absolutely beautiful. So now, this needs cling filming and going into the fridge. As I said, minimum 4 hours. 6 hours is great. If you can do it overnight, do it overnight. And that's now going into the fridge, guys. Okay guys, the chicken Lekka Lekka has been in the fridge now for 24 hours and it smells absolutely amazing. So we're going to bread this now to make these beautiful deep fried gorgeous chicken Lekka Lekkas. So for this what we need is plain flour, panko breadcrumbs, essential for this crunch and light finish on here, and just 2 eggs that we're going to beat up. Because we're using buttermilk, it's going to be a little bit easier, but first we've got to add some seasonings in here. So into the plain flour, some salt, same into the panko, black pepper, dried oregano, garlic powder, and these are just, I'd say, about 2 teaspoons, guys. And lastly, the tarragon again to get that aniseedy flavour in there. Plus it looks really cool when you fry it as well. We need to get all this mixed in, guys, so we're going to get messy anyway. Get your hands in, give it a rough mix. How we do this, guys? Whoa, yes. Is we go into the seasoned flour, get a couple of Lekka Lekkas in there, give them a good coating of the flour, because then they'll puff up beautiful. Into the egg, quick dunk, both sides. Straight into the panko. Now you're meant to just use 1 hand, but I just do this and keep washing my hands. There we go, there's 1. into the beautiful egg, into the panko. Now what you will find is you'll need a hell of a lot of panko because it really does eat that panko up. Not the most glamorous job in the world, but I think there's something very therapeutic about doing this. Well, I think so anyway. West Country eggs today, guys. Probably should be using Cornish ones, but you know. Look at these beautiful fillets, guys. And there we have some Lekka Lekkas ready to go. A portion of 6. Nice little starter or a side. Let's get these fried now, guys. Lekka Lekkas ready to go in to that beautiful oil. Oil's at about 175, 180 degrees Celsius, and our oven is on at 180 degrees to finish these off. So let's get these Lekka Lekkas frying. So delicate as well. So we're going to give these about 5 to 6 minutes in here, guys. Just drop them in carefully. Wow, they're so beautiful and light. So just make sure you don't overcloud things too much in here. Give these about 5 to 6 minutes. We're going to give them a quick flip whilst they're cooking as well, and make sure they don't stick together by just using a spoon or some tongs and giving them a little nudge around. Wow, oh my god, guys. Look at these now. They're beautiful and golden. I'm just giving them a little move round, guys, whilst they're cooking. A couple more minutes on these ones, guys. Now with fried food, the best way to tell when it's ready as well, apart from the timer which I am using, when it starts to sort of float to the top and not sink down and stay in the middle, that's when you can tell normally it's a good sign that it's good to come out. These are nearly ready to come out. Have a little butchers of that. Oh, goodness gracious me. Another couple of seconds on these, guys. These are ready now. Let's get these out and into a tray. Whoa. Just look at these. They smell incredible. Wow. Look at those. Jeez. Right, let's just pop this out of the way a moment. So we're just going to stick these now into the oven just for a minute whilst we get everything ready to plate up. We want a lovely plate here. We're going to have a little ramekin of sweet chili sauce, and the other thing I've got here is some freshly sliced spring onion and red chili. To finish, good seasoning, guys, of rock salt and cracked black pepper. Okay, now 3 to a portion, so 3 on a plate like that, make it look pretty. And then to finish off, freshly sliced spring onion and red chili. And that was my beautiful chicken Lekka Lekka. So guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy that one and that you give it a go. And as always, guys, don't forget the link for all of our recipes, ingredients, how-tos, and everything else are in the link in our food blog below. Please hit the like and subscribe button, guys, if you like the video, and subscribe for more. And we'll be back next week with another video.